Experiencing trouble with your AC, ventilation, or heating system? When it comes to residential and commercial cooling and heating needs, you don't want to trust this job with just anyone. Call Eagle Air AC Repair, your local HVAC, AC, and heating professionals. We take pride in our work, use quality parts that last, and do it without charging you an arm or a leg. Contact us today for a free estimate or consultation. We care about our customers, and we can reduce your utility bills and can help you save. We provide on-time service calls, fast and efficient service, clean and polite service techs, trained professionals, upfront pricing, peace of mind guaranteed, free estimates, and always an honest second opinion. Don't wait for your system to break down. Call us today for our tune-up and inspection specials. Eagle Air AC Repair, your trusted HVAC, AC, and heating professionals.